perfection. Stay here. I must immortalize this moment. Time for a snack. Come on, champ. Show me those muscles. What is... Let's fix this with grooming. Look at those oily roots and dry ends. Hopefully this shampoo will make your hair shine. Let's not forget essential oil. Which one?
Try this one.
Ah, jojoba. Can you feel the wind of change? Hey, hey. Oh no, what happened? The cat show is in 1 hour. What shall I do? I'm going to make a winner out of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 17th Universal Cat Show.
Go, Taffy!
Go,
Go,
Taffy!
Taffy! Go, Taffy!
Go,
Go,
Taffy!
Taffy!
Bye, Taffy. Bye, Taffy.
First contestant,
That's my cat! Go, Fifi! Go, Fifi!
That's cat expert Archibald Fuffernan. He can tell a cat's breed by the ripples it makes in its water while it's drinking.